Good day, everyone. I'm Williams, and with me here is
Sandra. We are here to talk about this important topic. Don't send your child into a financial jungle without a map. Let's dive right in.
Parents, imagine sending your child into a dangerous jungle without a map.
Sadly, that's exactly how many young people enter the world of money.
We teach our children mathematics, science, and technology.
But many never learn how money truly works before adulthood.
Many graduates earn their first salary,
only to watch every naira disappear before the month ends.
The wealthy teach one important lesson early.
Don't just work for money, learn how to make money work for you.
Small investments made early can grow into something extraordinary.
Time is the greatest investment advantage every young person has.
That's why InvestData created the Teenage and Youth Investing Summit,
a practical, engaging event designed to build financial confidence from an early age.
They'll discover how investments grow,
how to recognize opportunities, and develop the mindset for long-term financial success.
The greatest gift isn't just education.
It's teaching your child financial independence before life teaches expensive lessons.
We need to teach them about money.
Yes, for their future.
Give your child the financial head start many adults wish they had.
Register today at workshop.investdataonline.com and begin building their future with confidence.
Don't send your child into a financial jungle without a map.
Invest in their financial education today, because tomorrow begins with the decisions you make now.
See you at the InvestData Teenage and Youth Investing Summit.